Hey guys, we got snow, which is awesome, but we need to do some artwork. So I'm gonna go step by step through the process and we are going to draw a snowman. Now I'm gonna be using a Sharpie for this so that it shows up really nice on camera, but you can use a pencil and come back with a black crayon or black colored pencil, whatever materials you have after you feel comfortable with your drawing. And when you get done, you can also color it. All right, let's get started. You're gonna need a blank piece of paper and at least a pencil to do this part. Okay, we're gonna start somewhere around in here and draw a nice big circle. And that's gonna be the bottom of our snowman. And if at any point you need to pause the video, please do that so that you can feel like you are not having to rush and are getting each step in the process. Behind our little snowman, we're going to do a little bit of kind of a curved line, jagged line, wavy line for the ground. Then we're going to put on top of our big snowball at the bottom, we're going to do a middle-sized snowball. And we're going to stop our circle where it starts to be overlapped by the bottom. We're allowing the bottom to overlap the middle so that it kind of makes it look bigger and taller. You could also make the start at the top and work your way down, and that would make it look a little bit more like you were looking down on the snowman. Okay, we're going to go with our last circle here, and we're actually going to stop the circle so that we can put a hat on our snowman. So we kind of really have two parentheses or U-shapes here. Okay, and for our hat, we are going to do kind of like a Santa Claus hat. So we're going to do a little bit of a curvy line here, a curvy line here, a wavy line across there, and a wavy line across there. Okay, and we're going to draw a line up and over. And then we're going to draw a curved line from over here that kind of goes right there. And for the little fluffy ball on top, we're going to do a wiggly line all the way around. All right, really good. Now, we're going to do a carrot for a nose. And so we're actually going to do a sideways V like that. And connect it with a backwards C like that. And then we're going to put two eyeballs. Whoop, and whoop, like that. And we're going to give them little dots to go for a smile. All right. And now our snowman needs some buttons. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 buttons right in the middle. And then we're going to do some arms on either side. And for the arm on this side, I'm going to draw a straight stick shape out like that. And we might make it kind of go up a little bit like he's waving. And then we'll just break that off into a couple of fingers. Maybe we'll do like 4 fingers. Okay. And on the right side, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to bring the branch into the body a little bit more so it looks kind of 3D. And we can draw a little bit here and then angle it up, kind of like the other one. And again, we'll do 4 fingers like so. All right. And anything that you want to do around it, you can do some snowflakes falling down. You could do some extra snowballs kind of sitting around on the ground like this. And anytime I put something on the ground, I like to draw a little bit of a line behind it just to make it feel like it's sitting on the ground a little bit more. And you can put some in front of the line and some behind the line. And you can even layer them back in the distance if you want to. So there you go. And if you want to, you can put a little bit of background. We might put like a little pine tree in here. That might look really good. So we'll start here with a triangle, but we won't finish out the triangle. Okay, we'll leave a little gap in our triangle right there. And then we'll do another kind of triangle. We'll make it a little bit wider than the one above it. And again, we'll stop it. And same thing on this side, make it a little bit wider. And then we'll make a little bit bigger gap here than right there. And we'll do one final kind of triangle and leave a gap at the bottom because we got to put a little trunk on this guy. And we try to get the trunk right in the middle as best we can. Okay? And if you want to, you can put a little bit of snow on your tree, right? At the top, you can even put some. See if that looks right. That might look kind of funny. I don't know. We do little wavy lines like that. Yep. And we might even draw that right across there. That'll look better. Okay. So now you got a snowman and a snow scene.